fix a Gabby bear. So, I think that you're never going to find a video like this ever again, but this is how to fix one. So, step first, remove the clothes from him. You might need to remove the Velcro too. Remove the clothes. And step 2, you should go to the bathroom because, just trust me, go to the bathroom. Really. Because after you go to the bathroom, you probably wash your hands, and you need to keep them really dry after that to touch the foam so it doesn't get moldy. So if you go to the bathroom again, then you might get water on your hands. So yeah. Go to the bathroom and make sure to, after you wash your hands, if you don't wash your hands, whatever you do, you should probably definitely wash your hands before touching this just so you can keep it in best condition that you can. But then, yeah, make sure they're super dry after you go to the bathroom and clean.